Hello, here's the tools and techniques evaluation and the user's evaluation. This is my game. The main menu consists on a play button and a quit button. I wish I could add an animated background, but I couldn't. So here's the play button. Um, Here's the script. As you can see on the main menu, we have the play games, scene manager, load scene. So when we press that button, it loads the next scene. When we press the quit button, it quits the game. Um, it's a basic main menu. Next scene, scene one. Um, we have a first person controller here. I didn't add any animation because it's on the person, not third person. So as you can see, we have a collider. When the player collides with the NPC here, it triggers it triggers um, it triggers a message, as you can see on the player. Um, it triggers it triggers a message while colliding with the NPC if he has the tag NPC, as you can see here, tag NPC. So the player has a basic controller. As you can see here, speed, gravity, jump height, the ground check. The I tried to add a jump, but because of the environment, it doesn't jump. It's not necessary, but I've tried it. I just add it here. We have uh, the mouse look script using the mouse X and mouse Y and the sensitivities. It's a basic one too, but I don't need anything very specific. Um, on our canvas, I added a mini map here. Um, the guardian text, the text of the peasant, and the text of the monster. So first NPC, it's this one, the guardian. Second NPC, third NPC, it's this. It's not corrected, yeah. The third NPC, it's this one, the monster. And the second NPC, it's the second or third. Okay, so there's three NPC there. You understood? It's the peasant. So every single NPC has a message. We have a background music, the medieval music. I chose free music from YouTube. I chose. Uh, Here's a mini map. I've made a mini map border, and I added the mini map. Um, the mini map has a second camera. Here's the script for the mini map. A very basic script. I didn't need it much. I could add the gems to the minimap, but I didn't know how to, so I just made a second camera on top of the player, and yeah, that's it. I've made the minimap. Um, the objects number. So this number goes down every time um, he collects a gem. After collecting all the gems, the game finishes. The It triggers the gate. That's triggers this wall. So this wall is going to disappear, and the character can proceed to the next one, to the third character. When colliding with with the crystal, as you can see in the final scene, um, loads next scene, which is scene 2. Here's the every single NPC script. So there is a script for each and every single NPC. The count objects here. When all the objects are collected, it displays the message saying all objects collected. Here's the object number. Uh, Collect star is the collect of the gems when colliding with the tag player, as you can see here. Tag player. Uh, yeah, that's. I think I've covered it. Oh, okay. So I've added the animation to the NPCs and to the gems. So you have here the animation script here, and if we go to the NPC, we can see the animator, and yeah, it's here. The states, yes. I've used Mixamo to download the states of every single NPC. Um, the diamonds have an animation too, and a collect sound. So every time the player collides with the item gets destroyed, and this sound plays. The animation script is here, as I've shown you before, of the gem. So next scene. Uh, end scene, end scene, end scene. Last scene, okay. End scene. Um, End scene. We have a basic, again, just a basic screen showing who was the project creator, which was me, animator, programmer, original planner. So I was the one who developed everything and decided everything. I wanted a big thanks to my university, University of Sunderland, and to my teacher, Dr. Mark Benison. Um, so this is the script I've made in the beginning, in the end. So every time you press task, the game just exits. I didn't want to add a exit button because it looked dumb, so I just press. If you press task, the game closes. Um, yeah, thank you. It's everything.